Welcome to the English Bright ESL Affiliate Program tutorial. In this guide, we'll show you how to sign up, access your affiliate dashboard, monitor your earnings, and share your unique referral link and code on social media. To get started, log in or sign up at EnglishBrightESL.com. Once logged in, you will be able to see your classroom page. From here, click the Access or Sign Up Here button on the right side. This will take you to the affiliate registration page. Fill in the required fields, your first name, last name, your address, and select your country. The username and email fields are already pre-filled since you're logged in. You may skip the optional fields if you prefer. Agree to the terms, then click Register. After that, you'll be redirected to your affiliate dashboard. Under Affiliate URLs, you'll find your unique referral link, which you can copy or share directly to Facebook, LinkedIn, X, or as a QR code. You can also use the custom link generator to create personalized links for tracking visits from different social media platforms. Just paste a valid page URL from the English Bright homepage. Make sure it's within the homepage to avoid errors. For example, copy a link from the homepage and paste it into the page URL field. Then, add a campaign name like Facebook, or any custom label you prefer, to identify where the traffic is coming from. Click Create Custom Link and copy the generated link to use. In the Visits tab, you'll see how many people have visited the website using your affiliate link, along with whether they converted into paid users. Under the Referral tab, you'll be able to see the number of signups, along with the amount, description, and status. The Amount section shows the earnings you'll receive once the status is marked as Paid. A quick reminder, while the amount may show as $30 for a monthly plan, you'll receive the $30 only after your referral subscribes to a paid plan for 2 consecutive months. In Coupons, you'll find your unique coupon code that you can share to your audience, and they can use to enjoy a discount when subscribing. Under Statistics, you'll get a full breakdown of your performance, paid and unpaid referrals, conversion rate, and total earnings. Under the Statistics tab, you can also monitor the number of visits generated by each of your unique custom links. Lastly, the Marketing tab provides tools and materials to help you promote the program more easily. No worries, all these materials are downloadable for easy access. If you're browsing the website and want to return to your affiliate dashboard, just scroll down and click the affiliate portal in the footer. That's it. You're now ready to promote and earn with English Bright ESL. Happy promoting and happy earning!